One of the most exciting things about developing your personal brand on LinkedIn is the opportunity to network with people. You can network with just about anybody, anywhere now that there are more than 1 billion members on the platform. Of course, only a small percentage, about a third, are active, but this still gives you plenty of opportunity to find people that you want to have in your network. You want to find people who are like minded, people who share interests with you, people who are synergistic. They might not be competitors, they might be cooperators, and so they may be able to collaborate with you. You may want to network with people you learn from, or people that you are going to share your experience and expertise with. Either way, networking on LinkedIn offers so many opportunities, and it opens doors to all kinds of things that most of us never ever imagined before we got started. There are some ways to network well, and in this section of our site, you'll learn about those. There are a few pitfalls and a few tricks to master, and it isn't always easy and fast. But if you are consistent and you set out with a goal in mind and you stick at it, you will slowly, over time, build an excellent network of people who know you, like you, and trust you. And that is exactly what networking is all about.